If your GMC Acadia struggles to fire up every time you turn the key, you are likely dealing with one of these common ignition issues. Statistically, over 60% of these hard start cases are caused by a failing fuel check valve or a clogged filter. Before you replace expensive parts, let us walk through the diagnostic process to find the real culprit. Start by ruling out the basics like a weak battery or a silent fuel pump before diving deeper into the engine bay. Fuel system issues are the usual suspects, especially if your engine takes a few extra cranks when it has been sitting for a while. If the fuel system checks out, look toward the sensors that control the air-fuel mixture during the critical first seconds of ignition. Some of these fixes are simple enough for a weekend warrior, but fuel pump work requires specialized equipment and safety precautions. Costs vary wildly from a simple cleaning to a full fuel pump replacement, so proper diagnosis is the best way to save your wallet. For advanced troubleshooting, a fuel pressure test is the definitive way to see if your pump is losing pressure overnight. Keep these three tools in your kit, and you will be able to pinpoint most ignition and fuel delivery failures yourself. Safety is non-negotiable. Always disconnect the battery and keep a fire extinguisher handy whenever you open the fuel system. Don't let a slow start turn into a no start. Tackle these checks today and subscribe for more GMC troubleshooting guides.